Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla has described Maharaj Gambhir Singh as a visionary leader and the architect of modern Manipur. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla was addressing the 192nd death anniversary observance of Maharaj Gambhir Singh, which was jointly organized by State Archaeology and Department of Art and Culture at Memorial Site of Maharaj Gambhir Singh located at Kanchipur today. Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal, few MLAs and top officials of Manipur government attended the program, which also witnessed floral tribute ceremony in honor of late Maharaj Gambhir Singh, followed by gun salute by contingent of Manipur Rifles. Attendees also paid floral tributes to portraits of Maidingun Narasingh and Sana Herachandra. Speaking in the program, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla highlighted the bravery and courage of Maharaj Gambhir Singh while protecting the sovereignty of Manipur through Treaty of Yandabu. Speaking further, Governor stressed on the importance of remembering the courage and ideals of Maharaj Gambhir Singh by calling him as the architect of modern Manipur.
The government of Manipur has taken meaningful steps to honor his enduring legacy. As a humble tribute, the Samadhi of Maharaja Gambhir Singh has been declared as a protected historical monument under Manipur Ancient and Historical Monuments Act. Statues of Maharaja Gambhir Singh, Maharaja Narasingh and Herachandra have also been erected here. Here we have just offered the tributes. In addition, the historic old palace at Langthabal, Kongching, is being developed as a major tourist and learning destination. This initiative will serve the public, scholars and students, particularly from Manipur University, while also contributing to employment generation and cultural awareness among our youth. On this solemn occasion, I urge my dear citizens of Manipur to remember Maharaja Gambhir Singh Ji, not only in ceremony, but in spirit. Let's draw inspiration from his courage, unity of purpose and unwavering commitment to the people. May his legacy continue to guide Manipur towards peace, progress and prosperity.